shadows under the moonlight, a faint cry seeping into the silence. The one who holds starlight within, a harbinger of freedom glowing in the darkness. The rhythm of steps walking through the deep night. Solitude becomes a radiant star's dance, sitting by the window for the night. The black cat, a being of mystery. Black cat, twin of the night, blooming with roses born in the dark, dancing with starlight in its grasp, singing the song of eternity. Nettie. Shimmering for dark as the moonlit night, radiating golden light from the abyss. Yeah, your whispers that stop time, calling forth the garden of shadows. Black cat, twin of the night, blooming with roses born in the dark, dancing with starlight in its grasp, singing the song of eternity. No matter the end, a dance painting the darkness without your freedom, awakening the stillness with a shared cry. Black cat, you are the lover of stars. Black cat, twin of the night, blooming with roses born in the dark, dancing with starlight in its grasp, singing the song of eternity. The final whisper resonating in the moonlight, a black dance painting the night sky. Black cat, you are the eternal sun.